Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Glenn, the Total Sales Guy. You may have seen in my previous videos where I do product reviews and new product introductions, but I want to do a new series on tech tips with the pros. And what that consists of is going from shop to shop and working with painters, body techs, and detailers to hopefully have them share their techniques with us to make our job a little bit more easier. Today, I'm working with Marco. He's the head painter at Escondido BMW, also known as Breck Collision. But first, if this is a series of videos you'd like to see more of, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted of new videos that come up. All right guys, let's get into it. All right guys, here we go. We got a 3 Series BMW and here's Marco, and he's gonna tell us what his tech tip is.
Hey guys, welcome. So, what is one touch? I'm gonna show you how I paint cars. We call this one touch because we paint everything at once. We're gonna be painting a brand new door. We're gonna be blending color to the front of the door, to the quarter panel. By doing this, we're gonna eliminate painting a brand new door from the back side, sending it back to the body man, having the car shuffled back and forth. I like to paint a car once, just once, one touch. Let's get started.
right, guys, well, there you have it. I hope you learned something from this video. I want to thank Marco for letting us in his booth and showing us his method. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video.